shady. Yeah.
What's good, guys? Flagstaff AveGeek here with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the United 787-9 by NG models. So let's get into it. Alright guys, let's open it. Alright, there we go, guys. Oh, guys. Really nice box art by NG, as you can see. Our registration is N29975. There's the front view of the box. Here's the side views. Really nice. All right, let's get into the model. What? No. No, guys. Oh. Dang. That's kind of unfortunate. The gear came off, as you can see. Alright guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go glue this real quick and then we'll get into the review. Alright guys, I fixed it, as you can see. I'm gonna let this one slide in G because of how good you guys are, but alright, let's get into the model. So first we got our cockpit windows right there. Our Star Alliance logo right there. And then their slogan in front of all their planes on the new livery: connecting people, uniting the world. The nice United titles, sorry. L1 boarding door, L2 boarding door, Wi-Fi dome, the beautiful engines that are shaded with blue, landing lights, our red strobe right there, Dreamliner titles, our registration N29975, our nice United tail. Here we got the back with the APU detailed there. Alright guys, yeah, it's a really nice model. I'm gonna get the -10 box and the model to do a comparison. Yeah guys, they're both really nice models. Glad to have them in my collection, sorry. And yeah, the new livery is amazing. Just really nice job, NG. Alright guys, then we got the right side of the plane, pretty much the same. Cargo luggage door, landing lights there again. I don't know if you guys can see that. The front cargo luggage. Then we have our green navigation light. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's there. And here we got the front view. Looks really nice. And then here's our underbelly. As you can see, it doesn't really look like anything happened, but yeah, it did come off, which is kind of sad. And yeah, really nice model. Really good job, NG. I don't know about this -9. It was a bad batch or something, because my other friend got it broken. But yeah, guys, hope you like the review. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye.